Hey, what's going on? Raheem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a Royaltie AI training, all right? Now, I'm literally going to be building 3 full campaigns right here in front of you, and it's literally not going to take me much time at all. All right, now my purpose for making this video is to show, any business owner that's watching this, whether you want to, take your brand, or your company to the next level, and you want to save a lot of time doing it. I'm going to show you the benefit of, actually having access to Royaltie and how quickly you can do that. Okay. So with that being said, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this one right here. All right. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here into the Royaltie back office, and I'm going to start this process. Now, like I said, it's not going to take me any time at all to build all 3 campaigns that I'm going to do. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first things first that I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to landing pages, okay? Now, I'm going to go up here to add new, and this is going to start the process. All right, so here we go. So based on, first thing I want to do is I'm going to choose the niche that I want to go into. Okay, so let's say for this one, I want to go into restaurant. Okay, so I'm going to go into restaurant. The subcategory I'm going to choose is, I'm going to go with, let's go with food delivery. Okay, so the name of the business, just for example, it'll be delivery specialist. All right, so we'll just go with that. All right, delivery specialist. I know I'm kind of going through this fast. Delivery. Let's just call it delivery. Okay, English and delivery experts. There we go. Boom. All right, so there we go. We got our website, we got a language, we got a business name. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate AI on this page, and then I'm going to hit next. All right, and it just built my page for me. Boom, I got my picture. It's ready to go. All right, so now you can see I got a real simple page, right? So this is a page, that I can go back and edit it if I wanted to. I can change the background, change the color, change the font. I could do all of that. But for time's sake, right, you could do that as the business owner if you wanted to go back and kind of tweak some things, maybe add a video. You can see they added some things for you, but most importantly, the point of these pages is to generate you leads, okay? So as you can see, they automatically have the forms on the page. All you have to do is change some information if you don't like what you see as far as picture-wise or the organization. So like if I wanted to change this and move this up, I can do exactly that. All right, so you can move it all around, change the colors, do whatever you want to do here on this page. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save and exit. All right, so at this particular point, I literally just set up a campaign. Okay, so let me make sure this is actually saving, and it's going to take me back to the landing page screen. Okay, so you probably just heard the notification on my phone. That's letting me know that my social marketing posts are being created right at this particular point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to social marketing. Okay, and as you can see already, it's gave me the most popular posts on the internet, articles and videos included, that I can now use and post on my social media platform. Okay, so as long as I'm logged into Facebook, LinkedIn, or I think the other one was Twitter, all I have to do is hit post. And like I said, I'm already logged into Facebook, as you can see up at the top of the screen. So I'm just going to use Facebook, and I'm going to hit share. Okay, now it's going to bring it up, show what I'm about, and it's going to show me what I'm about to post on Facebook. And I want to show you how this would go. Okay, so boom, it will post this on Facebook. Now keep in mind, it's based on the niche that I chose. Okay, so if we go back over here, this has some relation to delivery. Okay, so I'm not going to actually post this on my page because this just shows you exactly what it looks like. Okay, now I go back here, and as you can see, have you succeeded with publishing your post? I'm going to say yes. Okay, your social marketing done. So I'm going to hit great. Now it says, would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes, I would. Your blog done. Would you like to email this content to your followers? Yes, I would. Your email done. Okay. So literally, I just built an entire campaign already. That's campaign number 1. Now we're going to go back. We're going to do the exact same thing. As I said, I wanted to build 3 different campaigns. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to do one in the e-commerce, in retail, okay? So here we go. Let's go with jewelry and watches, okay? So Jewelry Masters. That's what I'm going to name this one. Jewelry Masters. Boom. All right, jewelry. Oh yeah, I know I'm spelling that right. Jewelry Experts. That's going to be the page name. All right, so here we go. All right, so we got English and jewelry winners. Okay, boom. That's what we're going to go with. E-commerce, jewelry, and watches. Now I'm going to turn AI onto this page, hit next, and boom, it's going to build out my page for me. All right, there we go. Boom. Now that may not be the best picture, but the good thing about it is you can definitely go in here and you can change these images. So you'll be good to go on that behalf. Okay, so you can pretty much edit this how you want to. As you can see, the page is built. What you'll notice is some of these pages will look very similar. They have different pictures based upon the niche, but the good thing about the AI system is that from day one, they create everything for you. But the thing about AI is it's machine learning, so it gets better over time. So within your first 30 days, it's going to get a lot of data based upon how much traffic you're driving. So based upon all of that data, right, it's going to start to build better pages over time. And it's going to get better and better and better because that's what AI relies on, data, okay? All right, so I'm kind of cutting into my time here, but here we go. So this page is done. I'm going to hit save and exit. Okay, it's going to take me back to the landing pages. Once again, you just heard the notification on my phone because this also has an app letting me know that my social marketing posts are ready. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to see, there we go, the 5 best pieces of jewelry for men to wear. Now, the point of these social marketing posts, when I post them the same way I just did, well, I didn't actually post it, but I showed you what it would look like. All right, so if I go to LinkedIn and I hit share, maybe I'm logged into LinkedIn. I'm not 100% sure, but I should be logged into LinkedIn. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is how it would show up on LinkedIn, and I would just be able to post that. Now, I'm not going to post that, same as I did before. Have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes. And it's going to take me through that same process that I just did. Would I like to add it? Yes. Awesome. Would I like to email? Yes, I would. And I'm done. Boom. All right, now we're going to go ahead and create that 3rd campaign, and let's get it going. So I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm going to choose health and wellness. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to click CBD. I know CBD is popping right now, so let's go ahead and do that. CBD experts. All right, there we go. CBD winning. Boom. All right, we got English, healthy lifestyle. Let's just name it that. Boom. All right, so there we go. All right, so health and wellness, and I like to activate. Okay, that's already in use. Healthy lifestyle for you. Boom. All right, so boom, we good, and we're gonna hit it, and it's gonna build a page. Boom, healthy. There's something about that page that's related to the niche. Okay, boom, we got that, and everything is already filled in. And like I said, you can do any editing that you would want to do. Okay, so that'll be up to you. I'm just gonna hit save and exit, and boom. Okay, now I should. There we go. There's the notification again on the app. And boom, now let's check to see if we have our posts. Boom, CBD winning, chiropractic adjustment and tips for low back pain. See, the point of this is to show you posts that are related, right? So when people click on them to actually view the article or the video, guess what? They have to put their information in to even get access to see it. It's almost like content locking with CPA. People have to give some type of information to be able to watch it or view the article, and so that generates you leads within the niche. It's so powerful. Okay, so there we go, CBD winning, and there's another post that you could use so you can get people that are related. Okay, so now you can see all of these are posted up, and at this particular point, I've literally created 3 full campaigns. Now, if I go over here to email campaigns, you'll see down here, what do you see? You see jewelry and you see CBD, okay? And then the delivery, okay? So all of this stuff was created, and it'll be on autopilot as long as these campaigns are created and they have the AI on them. That these are going to be created, okay? So as far as, you know, having this, like, you'll be able to do, like, you know, send out your automated emails and do all that great stuff in the contact section over here. You'll be able to do that. Okay, so literally I've just built 3 full campaigns, and it didn't take me that long at all, to be completely honest with you. And you, as a business owner watching this, or somebody who wants to take their company or brand to the next level, this saves you a lot of time. So you're not sitting there, you know, really playing a guessing game as much. You're getting the most popular posts on the internet, and that's just the social media marketing aspect of it. Now, as far as the online ads, this is if you're not too familiar, if you've ever ran Facebook ads, if you've ever ran any type of, you know, popular advertising platform, this platform allows you to do the exact same thing. Let's see, the difference is the other advertising platforms, they're not a marketing platform. They're not an all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to pretty much run your entire business from it. Okay, so that's the difference. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this training was helpful, and if you see actually benefit in this. Now, if you want to take action and get started with Royaltie today, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. I also have my contact information down below in the description as well. So if you do decide to take action, or if you have any questions, just shoot me a text or give me a call. I can answer any questions that you have, and I look forward to, doing some type of business with you. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you, my friend, in the next video. Peace.